Write a program to find maximum between three numbers using ladder if-else or nested if. Here you can find like an example of input and example of output. So let me create three variables ABC and max. After that, I am just gonna read them from keyboard. So now, if A is bigger than B and if is bigger than C, so else, okay, if A is bigger than C, then max is equal A, else max is equal C. After that, else, I'm gonna do like this, so else if B is bigger than C, and else I'm gonna do here max will be equal B and else max will be equal C. And after that, I'm gonna just see out max is equal to max. So let me check. Now I'm gonna just type three variables A, B, and C. So as you can see, it finds the maximum one. Write a program to check positive, negative, or zero using simple if or if-else. Program to input any number user and check where the given number is positive, negative, or zero. So now I'm gonna create one variable num, cout enter num, and after that sin num. So now I'm just gonna check if num is bigger than 0, I'm gonna see out it's positive. In other case, if it's less than 0, it means that it's negative. And else it's not positive and not negative, it means that it's equal to 0. So let me check. Now I'm gonna just add return here. I forgot about that. And let me check again. So let me type a variable. It will be minus 23, so it's negative. At this task, we must write a program to check where the number is divisible by 5 and 11 or not, using if-else, so divisible by 5 and 11 at the same time. So for this reason, let me create one variable and enter any number, get this number from keyboard, and after that I'm gonna add num mod 5 is equal 0 and num mod 11 is equal 0. It means, at this case, it means that this number is divisible by 5 and 11. But in other case, if it's not divisible, I just gonna see out it's not divisible by 5 and 11. So let me add a return here, and we can try. So now I'm gonna type 55, and yes, it's divisible, as you can see. Write a program to find all roots of quadratic equation using if-else. Here you can find examples of input and examples of output. Also, you can find the formula of quadratic equation. For solving this problem, I'm gonna use float and create three variables ABC and roots x1 and x2 and discriminant. After that, first step is just read three variables ABC from screen, like this. And when I have read all of them, now I'm gonna find discriminant by formula. I'm not gonna pay attention on this formula because it's from mathematics and it's not our case now. And if discriminant is bigger than 0, I'm gonna use this formula to find x1 and x2. As you can see at this formula, I used sqrt function. For using this sqrt function, you need to add library math, as you can see here. So this is a sqrt function. And I have added math library for this reason. So after that, I'm gonna just see out x1 is equal x1 and x2 is equal is2. If discriminant is equal to 0, it means we have only one root, and I'm gonna use this formula for solving. And else, it means that discriminant is less than 0, I'm gonna just type no real solutions. So it looks okay, let me try. And let me add some values for A, for B, and for C. So, yep, it's correct. I got a correct result.